A drone this small with a 4K camera and smart flight features? Today, we're testing the ultra-compact K04 Mini Drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the K04 Mini Folding Drone, a tiny aerial gadget designed for fun flying and beginner-friendly photography. First impression? This thing is tiny. Folded size is almost pocket-sized. Lightweight and easy to carry. Foldable arms for travel convenience. You can literally keep it in your bag or even a large pocket. Now, let's talk about the camera. 4K HD wide-angle lens, 120-degree field of view, HD real-time image transmission. Perfect for quick aerial shots, social media clips, casual outdoor fun. This mini drone actually includes a lot of smart features. Smart hover for stable flight, 360-degree flips and stunts, trajectory flight mode, orbit flight mode, headless mode, one-button takeoff and return. Not bad for such a small drone. You can control it using traditional remote controller or smartphone app control. The app also includes beauty filters, MV video creation, gesture and creative shooting options. Flight performance: around 10 minutes flight time, about 100 meters control range, and lightweight for easy handling. This drone is more about fun and portability than professional flying. But wind can affect stability outdoors. Camera quality is basic compared to premium drones. Short battery life. Still, for a tiny budget drone, it's surprisingly entertaining. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.